Happy birthday sa ating baby girl.
Huh?
So, eto pala yung na-order ko to sa AliExpress.
Oh, that's like a dollar, like 99 cents.
No. Some of them, yes, but this one is not.
That's like
AliExpress. Ito yung dapat na gagawin ko sa kanya sa birthday niya. Ang plano ko
Is it today?
yeah. No, this is for your party.
Oh.
Supposed to be. Sa ano sana? Sa shed, sa bay. Kaso diba, nasira na yung shed. Ang plano ko is yung mag-invite siya ng friends, na close friends niya. Tapos punta sa bay. Magdala sila ng scooter o kaya ng bike. Tapos, don't show them. Para dun sila ano ba, yung simpleng party lang. Gagawa na ako ng mga pika-pika na food kasi yun lang naman ang gusto nila. But ito, gusto niya pala, may plano rin pala sa sarili niya. Gusto niya, where you want your party to be?
at Arena 51.
Yeah, yung ano siya, inflatable na mga
It's a jumping place.
jumping place, yeah.
I'm not over this one.
So, kaya nagdoon na lang namin siya pinabook. Pero eto, gagamitin natin. Eto is number 9 na, ang theme pala na gusto ko sa kanya is yung Hunters. Diamond Hunters. Yeah. Yun sana ano sa kanya. And can I go gahan and ask them to use this balloon? Yeah. I think so, no? So, punta ako doon. Sila kasi magde-decorate doon. Sila sa kanila na nasa package na yun. Pero gusto ko to,
Next one.
yung number 9
I'm opening the next one.
na 9 na foil na balloon.
Opening that one. What's this
So,
one?
mabaho. It stink. Tapos merong, is it? And eto,
Zoe.
basta yung mga characters doon sa Demon Hunters. Yeah. So this one is, so we're gonna put cake topper niya sana to. And gusto niya magpagawa. Do you want me to bake cake?
Yeah.
Gusto niya magpa-bake ng cake. Aalis pala kami guys. Kasi yung boys, meron silang
That's still good.
celebration sa pagkapanalo nila. So may lunch sila sa pizzeria sa Bay. So wala si Kuya, well, si Sak nandito na. Si Sak nakitulog din to si Sak. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo? Pupunta sila sa friend nila. Lahat sila, lahat ng team. Pumunta dun sa isang bayan ng friend nila. Nandito lang naman. Kaibigan din ni John yung dad. So dun sila nag-set up ng swag sa garahe. Then dun sila nag-party. Tapos yung coach naman may pa-lunch sa kanila. So doon ang boy. So, kaya kami ni Holly, birthday niya, we're just gonna have mommy and daughter lunch. Dad is not gonna come because she's going with the boys.
Yeah, I said they need that.
So, kami lang dalawa. So, ayan. Para siyang, tawag dito. Ayan. Kita nyo? Yung parang plastic siya. Ano may tawag dito? Acrylic.
Next one.
Ayan. So, yan sana yung set up ko dun sa, sa bay, sa table ba. Pero hindi na nga matutuloy kasi nga, nagiba na yung shed sa bay. And more balloons. More balloons. So, pupunta ko dun sa, and this is the stickers. We're gonna put this in your lolly bags. Loot bag. For your friends. So, ayan ang aking mga top nabili. Tapos, ito naman, happy birthday banner yata to. Binili ko banner, balloons. Ayan, may balloon din. Set na to. Nasa lang to, $29. Etong set na to. Tapos, may sticker na siya. Happy birthday. Oh, ayun, sticker siya, may sticker siya sa likod, tapos may happy birthday. So, dadalhin ko to para i-ask ko rin kung pwedeng sila na lang ang gumawa. O, pwede naman ako, punta ko ng maaga doon sa Sunday, next Sunday. Namove yung birthday ng batang to. So, ito, ayan, banner. So, ito yung parang happy birthday. This is your hair.
Okay, what's this then?
Yeah, so bili ako ng mga book niya. Oh, kasi mahilig siya nga mag K-pop. So, binilang ko siya.
Okay.
And then, mag-shopping din kami for her birthday. Yeah, another one. Ano lang, mag-shopping siya ng kung anong gusto niya. Kasi meron siyang gusto na a live doll, right, Baba?
What?
Was it a live doll, the one you want? Binigyan ko na siya last time. Yung si Violet. Nakita niyo na yung si Violet. Ang gusto niya naman is yung bumubuka at natutulog yung baby na live doll.
Mom,
Pagtingin
where's the
ko,
party bags?
where's the party bags? Wala. Nag-order akong party bags.
Mom, we haven't done like that. What's that one?
That's Shein. Let me see that one. That's Shein. Let's open it. So, wala, walang party bags. Oh, maybe that one? May party bag eh. 20 pesos niya ang in-order ko eh. Ah, yeah! The party bag. So, we're gonna buy lolly. And, ayan.
Can I just open
Oh,
it?
just open one because each package is 10. Each pack, I mean. No, no, no. Oh, it's okay. So, we're gonna put your lollies and other stuff, stickers.
Wait, Mom, I'm gonna put stuff in there.
So, yun ang aming gagawin. Shopping kami ng mga
It
gagamitin.
stinks.
No, it's not. It's paper. Small paper. It's not stink. The one it's stink, eto, mabaho. Yeah, baho niya. Bakit mabaho? Para siyang foil. Ewan. So, later na this one, this is the sticker. We're gonna put some stickers. Okay, we're gonna do that later. Not now because we have to go. And you want me to cook,
Cake.
baked cake and spaghetti. We're gonna have spaghetti for dinner, hon. It's a tradition.
That's why we always have spaghetti.
Yes, because that's long life. Ayan yung sticker. Ang cute, oh. So, lagyan natin tig-iisa. Sana magkasya. Wait. So, para...
cut that.
I know. We're gonna do that later. So, hopefully, this is 10.
So,
1, 4, 6. There's another one, right?
yeah.
Yeah. No, not that one. Oh, wala na. Oh,
So
6
there
na.
was two.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. This one? No. Wala. So, we're just gonna cut it. We're just gonna cut. I know there was... No, wala na, Baba. No, it's alright. We can just...
Hey, this is a 9.
9. So, we're gonna bring that one, Baba. Okay? Alright, guys. Ayusin ko lang to. Pinikap niyo pala si Sak mga
Oh, these
8:30. No, that's a banner. 8:30. Si Kuya nagpaiwan doon kung saan sila nakitulog. Nag-sleep over. Kasi, aalis naman sila mamaya. So, yung daddy na lang ng friend ni Jan ang magdadala kay Kuya at saka doon sa friend niya kung saan sila magla-lunch. Tapos, si Jan sila ni Sak.
Oh, that's for the cake.
Yeah, cake topper. So, this one is cupcake topper. So, may cupcake topper din tayo.
What's this?
Oh, ang cute. Oh,
Who's that? That's Zoe.
yeah.
How do you put them on?
Now, there's a sticker here that you have to put. It's alright. Let's go.
Let's go, I'm hungry.
Okay, we're going na, guys.
We're going to Big W. I want to
Big
get
W.
sushi.
So, yung live doll na gusto niya, na bilhin ko, out of stock. Wala, hindi siya. Ang gusto niya lang yung maliit, ayun yung malaki.
Mom, each of these are in for one of these. We're here in the town and I want to go eat at Bami.
Yeah, gusto niya dito kumain sa Bami. Vietnamese siya, guys. So,
The
mag-noodles.
other one was closed. Why
Yeah,
did you
magta-Thai din sana ako. Gusto ko sa Thai. Kasi sarado doon. And then gusto niya dito kumain sa Bante ko. Perfect, malapit lang.
go?
Yeah. What do you want, baby? No, that's chili sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. Parang Tagalog yung patugtog nila dito. Ayan, meron tayong 3 spring rolls and I'm good, Baba. And nag-order siyang 3 dim sum and pho and bami roll. So yan ang mga parang Tagalog ang kanta. Yeah, Tagalog. Baka may Filipina ditong nagtatrabaho. Yeah, Tagalog yung song.
Walking to the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have
Ang copyright tayo. Ibang song na ng Filipino. Pinapatugtog. Ayan yung aming bami.
a chance? We were to clear up from the party until we left.
Sa sauce.
Happy birthday.
Different
So nice.
every single night. Here we stand.
Dito na rin yung soup. Thank you. Large yung in-order namin. Yan. Baba, I don't know where's their bowl. Ask for extra bowl. Maybe the Baba. And then, ang galing mga kapugtog nila. I think in the cabinet, Baba. Open the cabinet. Bowl? Yes. Thank you. Yes, please. And lemon extra. Is that right? Thank you. Bye. Happy birthday. Holy. May pansit na kami. Okay. You still have the dim sum, Papa. Yeah. Here, Papa.
Snow is falling down, so the city's rush. Love is in the air, hours of summer. Oh, let's go for a stroll. Walking down the road, every slip and slide. Turning all around us, though we're meant to dance. You take my hand.
Sauce. Nandito na yung kanyang dim
You
sum.
can have some of you.
Merong steam, merong fried. Hmm?
But what's stable? What's fried?
The fried one is this one. Dami niyang handa, di ba? Busog na kami ni Holly, hindi na namin naubos. In fairness sa akin hindi na ako ganun karami kumain. And, wow. And eto yung bami. Kalahati pa yan. And si Holly, hindi niya naubos yan, oh. Siya may order niya. Yung spring rolls ubos. So, take away daw namin. Are you gonna eat it? Okay. Tingnan nyo yung aming pho. Isang order pa to, oh. Ang dami pang laman. And ayan yung dim sum niya. So, daan muna kayo dito sa Arena 51. Kung saan magaganap ang party niya sa Sunday. Next Sunday. Pasok kami dito sa reject shop. Tingin daw siya na ilalagay niya sa kanya loot bags. Wala naman dito. Wala eh. There's nothing here, Baba. Kami siya nakita dito. Big W. Dito pa pala kami sa reject shop kasi eto na. Kakita ng PC lollies.
Mom, you know I get a potty bag as well.
Okay, so 11?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's 7.
And meron siyang chupa chups doon.
These are really good. They're like pieces of the
Alright. So, meron tayong ilalagay sa loot bags. And that one.
If you get these ones.
Alright. Siya ang magdi-decide kung anong gusto niyang ilagay. Nerds, okay.
Get these. I won't get this one for myself.
Ha? Napaka-social naman ang loot bag mo, oy. Tingnan mo naman, ilalagay niya sa kanyang loot bags. Pinakyaw niya, no? How many is that? 11? Oh my god, alright. Let's go. May sila ditong lollies na pwedeng ilagay sa loot bags.
There's like someone at the cashier.
What's
They
that?
like gummies.
Troll?
Yeah, like trollers. Like them gummies.
That burgers. Look at the burgers there. The mini burgers.
Yeah, but this one has. But that just has burgers. This one has beef and sour worms.
You think your
Coca-Colas.
friends will like it? Okay.
Okay, we're done. Now let's go.
Oh my god,
This
tingnan niyo na.
bag's gonna rip, I swear.
Let's go. Hi. Ang happy niya. Dito naman tayo sa Big W. Ako nito para sa face. Yung cleansing wipes.
Those, just kidding. We got these. We had to find a box.
Ayan.
Because they're like.
Gusto niya rin daw maglagay nito sa kanyang
They're like just
fruit
chocolates.
bags.
They're like just chocolate.
Yeah. Ayan, nakalabas na ang mga pang... Ayan, tinan nyo, meron silang mga for Christmas. Lanterns.
There's always in there. How do you
Yeah.
get them?
You don't need that one, come on. Na ang mga medyas.
Stockings. I love my stockings.
Ayan.
They're like cake. So soft. Feel this one. Feel this.
Ayan, kumuha siya nito para ilagay niya rin sa loot
The rest
bags.
to me of mine. Because there's like too
Alright.
much.
It's too much, sabi, it's too much. Birthday niya tayo. Dito kami. Kalabas na mga Christmas trees.
Okay, Mom, I'm gonna make me at the pool.
Okay, tingnan niyo mga Christmas trees. Ito, ang ganda to. Oh. Deluxe. Ayan. Nakaka-happy naman. Lumabas na mga Christmas trees. Pa yung iba. Feel na rin yung Christmas dito sa Big W. Hingi siya ng budget sa daddy niya eh. Ang binigay sa kanya ay ipagamit ko raw yung card sa kanya. Kaya tingnan mo siya. Kasi walang cash si daddy. Ganap na naman siya. Yun nga, yung doll. I told you they're not gonna have it here, Baba. The newborn.
No, I didn't see it. I saw it in Kmart.
Are we going to Kmart?
Well, if I can't find anything here, we're going there.
Oh my God, Baba, what time is it now? Ayan siya. Katakinan siya.
I can tell what one that is. Guys, look at these. These are puppies. But you don't know what ones you get. Like, it's a surprise. It's a puffy corn bow surprise. And I also got this as well. These are the ones you can get of them. And I think I want to get,
Limited
This one.
edition to. Okay.
yeah, that one. That's the one. Just hit the jackpot.
Hinahayaan ko lang siya kung ano kukunin niya kasi birthday niya. Bawal daw magno siyang boss. Who's the boss today? Why?
Because the rule is like every time it's your birthday, you get to be the boss. For the house
In our
office.
in our household.
house.
Yeah.
We're not in our house right now, so how can I be the boss?
Oh, that's right. So that's enough. I'm the boss.
Your house offices.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sleep. You know what an axolotl looks like, guys? I think this is an axolotl. It's a poochy goomy. Thumbnail. This here look like a normal thing, and then we go. Perfect t-shirt. It's like one of these fishes.
The last one? And done. Okay. Let's go. Mahanap yung live doll. Are you happy what you got?
Yeah, I'm gonna actually play with one of these tonight.
Huh? Alright.
Can you vlog me unboxing this at home? I want to see what one I get. I want to get this one. This is one.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, happy ng birthday girl.
I can't wait to play this one. Like the one I want to use that.
Purple. Yeah.
Then it's
Just get two. I think we just need two. Yeah.
this is Remy and that other girl.
There's no helium. You sure? Wala nga. Saan kaya? So, tapos na siya mag-shopping. Ako naman mag-shopping dito. Mag-grocery sa Woolies. Yeah, madumi yung squishing na pili niya. Maybe they have it. Here, there's wipes here, Holly. Nadungisan. So, na pambaon nila bukas. Ang bilis masira ng strawberries. Ito lang ang kunin natin kasi nasisira siya sa... Yeah, bukas nandito naman ako. Pag naubos nila yan bukas, kuha na lang tayo ulit. Get Yakult, Baba.
Let's see how we want to.
Which one? Ayun na nila yung regular na Yakult. Mas gusto ko sana yun. Huh? Oh, your head! Come on! Ayan na yung gusto nila. Can you get me the regular Yakult, please? Thank you. Here, this way, this one. Come on. Did you check?
Yeah, okay. It's 18 packs.
No cracks?
No cracks.
Alright. Okay. Dito na pala kami sa Bunnings.
Are we gonna get this one?
Yeah. Kuha kami ng strawberries na itatanim. And tomatoes. Doon to sa farm. Doon tayo mag-gardening sa farm.
What's the price?
No, we don't need herbs. Meron pa naman ako doon. Ayan na yung coriander.
Didn't we grow
Dami na.
one of them? Parsley.
Yeah. And kailangan ko ng soil. Ang bigat nito. Ang lamig. Ang dami ng pananim na pwedeng itanim. Ready na sila. Oh. Itatanim ko lang sila dun sa paso. Nakita niyo yung paso dun sa ano, sa shed?
Golden pumpkin.
Sa shed. Ah, ayan yung parsley. Ang lagu-lagu na nito. Oh.
12.25.
Meron ako dun, hindi pa siya ganun kalago. Hintayin na lang natin yun.
Cucumbers now.
Ayan, cucumbers, pero hindi muna sa ngayon kasi wala pa akong garden beds. Sili, is this the sili? Chili, ayan na yung chili, oh. Sana may malunggay.
Enjoy chili.
Ang dami ng Ang dami nang pwedeng itanim. Hindi pa ready yung ating garden. Sa paso muna tayo. Ito din, meron. Anong masarap na strawberries?
Fresh from the garden.
Ang daming variety ng strawberries.
Oh, capsicum.
Capsicum, chili.
Cucumber.
Itanim ko lang siya sa isang, may tatlong malalaking paso doon. Ayan yung capsicum. Yeah, sweet corn. Dami nang pwedeng itanim. Pili lang muna tayo. But, gusto niya strawberries eh.
The dates, Mom.
Chili. Ayan, $4.59 for 80. So, parang $5.
Cucumber.
Yup. Gusto ko yung steak tomatoes.
There's carrots, Mom. Cucumber. Eggplant.
Gusto ko silang sabay sa isang paso iba-ibang variety. Kasi malaki naman yung paso dun eh.
Mom, garlic.
No, we don't need garlic. And dito yung mga trees. May nakita ko doon na trees. Na, yeah, the one I have died. Ay, may guava. Guava ba to? Ah, hindi. Figoa. Naalala nyo guys, yung masarap na dun sa kapitbahay namin. Fijoa. Yan, yung parang bayabas na star apple siya. Ayan.
Is this
Ang
the
ganda
one
to.
that we were gone for a while?
No, that one. No,
Wait,
namatay
is it when
yan.
we were gone for a while?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ayan, dami mga... Ito naman, raspberries.
What are these?
Plums. Juiceberry. Ano yan?
Oh, blackberry now.
Blackberries.
Is there like a plum tree or something?
Pag-aaralan pa natin yung paano yan itanim. Doon muna tayo sa strawberries. Sa strawberries muna tayo. Nabayaran na pala namin yung mga kinuha namin na berries. So, kumuha ko ng raspberries, blackberries, strawberries,
This
and
is the one. Rose garden and
azalea.
azalea.
And then, tinanong namin kung anong magandang soil para sa berries. Eto daw. So, kuha
Our
kami
plates
nito.
are just over there.
Yeah. Baba, I'll do it. I'll get maybe 4.
I'm not in my working stuff, guys.
Yeah. Are you ready for gardening?
Yes.
Ayan na yung soil. Ang bigat nitong i-push. Yes, we do.
Done it before.
Yeah. Last year.
Yeah, last year. Hopefully it still fits.
Yeah, it will. Dito naman kami sa Harvey Norman. Kasi pipick upin ko yung regalo ko sa kanya. In order ko dito. For pick up. Come on. Baba here. Saan na yun? Come on here. Ito yung regalo natin kay Holly. So, ibigay ko na kasi kasama naman natin siya sa pag-pick up. Here, Baba. Happy birthday. Dito talaga nagbigay ng regalo.
Salamat po.
You're welcome. So, what's that?
It's a JBL speaker because when I do my TikToks, I can't really hear it on Mum's phone, even though it's on full volume. So my mum got me a JBL speaker so she can connect it to her phone and then it's louder.
And then when you're in the shower, you always...
She can sing.
Yes, kumakanta siya and hindi niya marinig yung sa phone. So, sabi ko yan, perfect yan sa kanya. Okay, let's go.
It's so comfy here.
I know. Come on. Because, what time is it? Maybe it's...
3:20. That's
Think-
what I'm guessing.
Oh, you're close. Oh,
No,
yeah.
it is 3:20.
3:19, tapos bigla lang nag-3:20.
I just
Okay,
got it.
magluluto pa ako ng spaghetti mo. Waterproof yan, kaya pwede niyan dalhin yan sa banyo. Kumakanta yan sa banyo eh. Buti na lang meron dito sa Harvey Norman.
And guys, I'm so
Sa ama-
excited to unbox my stuff that I got today. Let's show you.
Yung sa Amazon, meron din, kaso hindi pa natin yung matatanggap. So, buti lang meron dito. Okay, uwi na tayo. Umaraw na kanina, ang lakas ng ulan. dito na raw siya mag-unboxing kasi sabi ko sa kanya pagdating ko sa bahay, magluluto ako and magpuputawi ng mga pinamili natin sa Woolies, yung grocery. So dito na siya mag-unboxing.
First, thank you to Mum and Dad for letting me get this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 things. This one's for my mum online, but my mum and dad shared a credit card, which means both of their presents.
We don't have credit card, Baba.
What is
A card, oh, yeah, it's alright.
So I'm gonna open up this one first. Oh, that's satisfying. It said there's like a squishy in this, which I don't know. Sorry about this. Just saying, unbox with me in the car. Oh, we got this one. It looks weird. It's so squishy. Can you hold on to that? Like a really squishy one.
Oh.
And we can put it back in the box after. But it's like really. Okay, next I'm gonna unbox this squishmallow one. It's like a squishy and it's scented. And I want Wincy, this strawberry one. Alright, let's see what we get. It's like a Labubu unboxing.
I think on the other side, Baba. Okay.
I'm gonna let you guys see first. I wish it's Wincy, the strawberry. Is this the eyeball? Yes!
That's not strawberry.
What is it? Oh, watermelon!
Magkamukha kasi.
I got Wincy though, the ones that I wanted. It smells so
Is just this one.
It's Wincy.
So it's not it's not strawberry. Oh, it smells
It's Wincy.
fruity.
Yes!
You said strawberry, so do they have strawberries or watermelon only?
No, I think it was just watermelon. My bad.
Ah,
Wincy.
tama siya sa pangalan, Wensi. Mali lang siya sa fruit.
Okay, next is the rainbow puppy corn. Rainbow puppy corn. Okay, so the one I wanted was this purple one with the bow.
It's
But
another surprise.
Yeah, it's another surprise. Even on this one. Okay. Oh, this way. So the bottom. That's why. And guys, I think there's like lots more than just them two.
Yeah, there are few, I think.
Yeah. There you go. I just broke that. It's open. If this breaks right now. The one I wanted. Wait, do you have to peel off the sticker? I just ruined it. There we go. The taco. It's not scented this time.
It's not scented.
And like the little wings, but I don't know what this stuff
Dami niya
is.
ng mga ganyan na maliliit na stuff to.
There's like a little egg, guys. Where's there?
Nag-declutter na nga tayo, Baba. Pero birthday niya, yan yung
There's
gusto
like
niya.
an egg. Okay. There's an egg. What? And there's like powder stuff. Here's a little egg. Is this like its little baby? I don't know. It's like this. It's its little baby. It's a little baby. It's like I think, yeah. Like the little baby. I feel like that goes in the dark, but and it comes with this powdery stuff. Oh, it's colour poop. Okay, next one is the one I've all been waiting for.
What's that?
It's a slime. So I want to get the limited edition one, but then I also want Sky's Limit as well, or the Pinky Promise. Let's
Is
see.
it Goo-Goo?
Huh?
Goo-Goo?
Yeah. Gooey gooey.
Gooey gooey.
Is this another box? I got Pinky Promise. I just got. Wait, and this isn't Pinky. I still don't know. You have to make it.
You are, not me. Akala niya ready na.
Wait, I got Pinky Promise. Wait, did I? I got Pinky Promise because the charm is Pinky Promise. And now I gotta make this.
Alright, put it in the...
Wait, no. This is the slime in here. Why didn't...
There's an instruction so you can do that at home.
And
Just
then they have the little decoration.
beads.
Oh, yeah, beads. And then the glow up.
You don't have to shake. You have to show like this.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Got that one. And this one. Oh my god. And now this one. Let's open this one.
Tell them.
The most expensive.
No, it's not expensive.
Oh, is it?
Well, I think expensive among what you got.
Yeah, among what I got.
It's the Go for.
Yeah, go
Speaker.
for speaker. Ooh. My nails are so short and it hurts. Oh. Is it open? So we got the speaker, the little buttons.
Portable speaker.
Yeah, affordable speaker. And then I think this is the cord. Yeah. Then we got the cord for it as well. And then that's just it, guys. And then we got the, like, whatever these are. Yeah, that's it, guys. We're done. I'm done unboxing my things. So, thank you for watching. Bye. Guys, Mum, is it okay if you can vlog, well, like, your cameras like sit on the table and then they watch me how to make my slime?
I'm not sure, baby, because I'm saving some of the what you call this. We don't have enough space because I still have vlogs here that I need to transfer, and I cannot do it now because I have to cook and then I have things to do. All right, let's go home.
I'm gonna make
So, dito na kami sa bahay. Yan yung aking gagawin, mag-put away and magluluto. Yan yung isa, yan. Kinalat niya na yung mga pinamili niya.
I don't know where I put the glitter and I don't know.
The what?
The glitter?
Oh, not sure. Alright, magluto na ako, guys. Ko daw to. Ayan, nailagay niyo na yung mga dapat ilagay niyo dyan. Ayan yung step by steps na procedure. And last niyang ilalagay ay glitter. What happened next? Ah. Yeah.
Ah.
Ganyan lang. Yan, masahin niyo lang dyan.
No, guys, it actually smells so good, but my mom thinks it smells bad.
Yeah.
It's wild berry.
Yeah.
That's the scent.
Okay, just enough of glitter, Baba. You don't need that much. And then be careful not to touch your eyes, okay? So, just go. Bagay pa naman ang mata
Look how
mo.
clear that is.
Ayun na, Baba. Hindi pa na-put away ko pa lang yung fruits. Tinawag niya ako. Okay. Not yet. Si Kuya tulog from sleepover. Siguro hindi to nag-sleep. Nag-talk lang to dun. Tulog na tulog. Si Sak daw umalis. Nag-ride ng bike. And busog na busog po yung mga bata. Huwag daw ako magluto. Kasi hindi magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Kasi busog na busog yung mga bata. Ayan. Tapos na pala ako magluto ng pasta. And yung sauce, ilalagay ko na kasi kakain na raw sila. Hindi raw sila ganun kagutom, kaya konti lang daw ang ilagay ko. Ayan kay Jan. And eto pala yung sauce natin. Hindi to Filipino style sauce. Western style yung sauce natin today. So, lagyan na natin yung kanilang pasta ng sauce. So, ayan na yung handa ni Holly. Kain na sila. And, hindi na ako nakagawa, guys, ng cake. Nilabas ko pa naman to para gagawa sana tayo ng cake. Kaso, wala. Kapos na sa oras. So, eto sana yung gagawin natin na para sa cake.
We got a cake though at Woolies.
Ha?
We got a cake at Woolies.
Oh, just in case, sabi ko, may ako, backup ako pag
Can
hindi
I
talaga
tell
ako
them what
makagawa.
cake we got?
Ha?
Can I tell them what cake we got?
Yeah.
We got a mad cake.
Mad cake. Mamay, pakita ko sa inyo. May sinasabi siya.
Party.
Nagrereklamo siya. You're complaining what, Baba?
I feel like it's on my birthday.
Feeling niya raw hindi niya birthday. Kasi nga, hindi niya nakikita si Maming busy sa kusina. Well, because your party will be on Sunday. Next Sunday. Thanks, Aki.
Filipino one's better.
Mas gusto talaga yung mga bata, gusto nila yung Filipino. Kaso nga, ginawa natin yung last week. So, para maiba naman. Si Jen, sarap na sarap.
Because he's Australian.
Oh, siya din.
Just like the sauce.
Walang hotdog. Si Kuya, nakadalawang balik na yan. Kanina pa siya tapos. Lumabas siya ng kwarto. Sabi niya, Ma'am, I'm gonna eat more pasta. Kasi Auntie Mal tumatawag na kayo. And ito yung cake na binili namin sa Woolies. Ayan. Mud cake to. Fresh cream mud cake. And si Zach, nakatulog na siya. Ginising ko lang kasi nga magki-cake na. And sabi ni Holly, you're gonna sing me happy birthday, Zach. Ayan. Yan ang cake ng Holy Girl from Woolies. First time. This is the first time. I'm gonna have a shower. Shower muna daw siya. This is the first time I bought cake for birthday. You think so, Kuya? But for you, I always make cake. 14 ni, magpo-14 na si Kuya. Wednesday, right, yeah? Your birthday is Tuesday. So, nilagay ko na siya sa cake stand. Yan na yung cake and ito yung ating mga candles. So, lagay na natin yan dito. So, ayan na yung cake ni Holly. And nilagyan ko siya ng 9 candles. Eksakto. Yung tira pa to nung mga nakarang mga birthdays pa nila. Ayan. Ito mayroon pa akong isa. Para kay Kuya. Pa kaya natin to? Ilagay ko pa ba to? Ayan na pala yung setup namin dito. Magpapapicture muna kami. Gamit syempre itong DJI. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Kanta na kami ng happy birthday. Yes.
Oh, there's one right there.
I will remove this one.
No.
Make a wish before you blow up.
Now we have to sing first.
Oh, it's hot now. It's not hot.
What?
The lighter. Oh no.
Why does it do that?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Holly. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Okay, make a wish.
Make a wish, folks.
Yay!
Yay! Woogies.
Don't tell us,
Yeah,
it's not gonna come true.
Let's try.
Keep it secret, Baba. Okay, who wants cake? Si Kuya, hindi niya gusto ang mud cake. Gusto niya yung cake na ginagawa ko, yung chiffon cake.
Turn off, I turned that off.
Oh my God, we don't have the little plate.
Stop, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Baba. Yeah, but make sure you don't cut the...
Come on, there's paper. The paper.
Don't cut the...
Just hit the bottom. Yeah?
Don't hit the bottom, okay? Just the middle one. Okay, okay. The wish is not gonna come true.
So why do you touch the one?
She didn't.
Yeah, I'll grab this.
No, it's mine.
Okay, then. After you.
No.
Si Sak, pag may sakit, para siyang may regla. Mainitin ang ulo. Oh,
Thank you.
okay, you want.
Ah.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's nice.
No, you can give me four, please.
Just share with Daddy. Oh, this is your stuff.
I want the strawberry. I don't like it.
This one.
So, yun na yung birthday niya, guys. Good? Okay. Baba, close the vlog na, Baba. Tapos na yung party mo. We have more here. Tingnan alone. Baba, close the vlog.
Thank you. Please like and please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next. But good night. And thank you for all my birthday wishes. Right.
I
More?
didn't like stuff this time.
Ah, you want?
No, what's not this one?
Yeah, one.
No, I don't.
You want more?
Not bad, is it, Jack?
Yeah, not bad.
I've got strawberry.
You don't even like that. You don't
Where's
like
the dogs?
mangoes.
Here. This white. This side. Okay.
Yeah, not all the cream.
Oh, alright guys, good night. Ako kainin ko yung tira ko sa bami.
Because I think